Hey, hi, welcome to Holistic Fitness, an online fitness community committed to delivering fitness right from comfort of your home and breaking the myths around fitness. Right. So let's get started. I think first of all, I want to thank all of you for joining in this session and also those who are watching it on the YouTube channel. So I think we started this concept of freedom to be fit on the National Independence Day, where we all come together and join for a 60-second elbow plank to mark the occasion and also make it as an opportunity to learn about how to become fit, right? How do we get freedom from excuses, from diseases, from obesity? How do we get freedom of healthy mind and freedom of healthy soul? Right? How do we get freedom of living healthy and also spreading fitness around? So in short, our campaign is freedom to be fit. So I want to congratulate each one of you who is joining this session and making the difference uh, by learning about key concepts of fitness and also committing to spread the message of fitness around in your community. So I think the first activity is all about, I mean, just getting a warm up. So we can do a jumping jack for 30 seconds. I can set the timers and you can do it along. So let's get going. So let's do it for 30 seconds, 15 seconds more. Great. So I hope you have all done it for 30 seconds and felt a little bit energized. So let's start with the basic definition of what is fitness. Now, when you Google this term on internet, more often than not, you are going to come across these kind of pictures, right? And what does it depict? It depicts a lot of equipments, physical fitness, six packs, gym, so on and so forth. And that's the typical notion around fitness. Whenever we talk about fitness, people attribute it towards physical fitness, right? And more likely or not, six packs, right? But is it the real definition of fitness? What is holistic fitness as per us? For us, the definition of fitness is absence of disease, ability to manage stress and emotional swings, and living life with full energy. That's the definition of fitness. Isn't it a better definition? We have seen many of the folks with amazing physical fitness, but when it comes to handling stress or difficult situations, they break. They cannot handle that, right? We have seen people dying of heart attack at a young age of 30, 35. Why is it happening? It's not only important to have physical fitness, but equally important to have mental fitness and spiritual fitness. And that's the whole concept that we bring in at Holistic Fitness. Now, there's a simple equation. Now, P multiply by M multiply by S. P stands for physical fitness, M for mental fitness, S for spiritual fitness. If any of these elements is zero, your net fitness level is zero. It's as simple as that. So if you possess a superior physical fitness, but you do not have mental fitness or spiritual fitness, your overall score of fitness is going to be low. So remember to balance the fitness regime across these three verticals. It's very, very important to build your physical fitness and also your mental and spiritual fitness. So let me start with a simple question. Let me ask you, do you express gratitude and acknowledge others and support you got from them? Do you do it every day, many times, sometimes, or never? And if your answer is A or B, there's a huge issue, right? You are missing a big opportunity in your life to be happy by expressing gratitude, to be thankful to someone who helped you. So keep this in mind. This is a very important aspect of a spiritual fitness, or what we call character-based or purpose-driven fitness. Let me ask the next question. How do you rate your ability to handle stress? Cannot handle at all? Sometimes difficult to handle? Option C, every time in control. Or option D, you can convert stress in positive energy. And if you can convert stress in positive energy, imagine it's such a superpower that can help you deal with any situation and get maximum out of it. So do you want to learn? Do you know how to do it? If not, then stay tuned. We are going to share with you how we at Holistic Fitness have derived frameworks and concepts which you can use to convert stress in positive energy. We have also made a assessment. It's a free assessment. The link I'll share in a while. What it does is that it helps you assess your current fitness level in all the three dimensions: physical fitness, mental fitness, and spiritual fitness. You are going to get a detailed report with recommendations in all the three dimensions, and you can check your current standing, where you stand, right? So there are different dimensions of mental fitness, spiritual fitness. Also, there's a KFI or key fitness indicators that you can read through. And it also presents you the elements or amount of work that we are doing in this space and what you can get benefit. So this is a link. It's simple. It's cognitoforms.com/holistic fitness online/holistic fitness assessment. We've also made it in different languages and also for kids, but you can skip the other two links. Just focus on the first link. It's cognitoforms.com/holistic fitness online/holistic fitness assessment. So when you click on this link, it will take you to an assessment page where 5 simple objective questions will be asked for each of the topic. So let me show it to you. So when you click on the link, it takes you to a web page where you get 5 objective questions to help you assess your fitness in all the dimensions. So for example, physical fitness, you have 5 simple questions, some activities that you can do. And for example, hold a simple plank position as long as you can. And whatever your answer, you can just mark that and proceed to the next one. So 5 simple questions in physical fitness, 5 questions in mental fitness, and 5 questions in spiritual fitness. Once you submit, you get a detailed report. You get a score immediately at a high level percentage, and you get a detailed report within a day, exactly recommending you what you need to do to balance the fitness in all three dimensions. So let's get started. Why is it important of taking care of fitness today and now? Now, there are many dimensions that people, I think it's not impossible for people to comprehend and understand the importance of fitness. I think all of us understand the importance of fitness, but it's I've seen people, they start a fitness regime, but after a while they lose the momentum, right? So it's always important to connect it with the bigger purpose and bigger why. Why is it important to take care of fitness today and now? So I have made an online video, which you can, by the way, go and check on my YouTube channel. It's called youtube.com/holistic fitness. Let me give you a summary of that. If you hold a tissue paper with both the hands and ask someone to place a small jar, let's say of 100-gram jar on top of it, the tissue paper can easily hold the jar, no matter how long you keep it holding. But if you add few drops of water on that tissue paper, and you will see that after a while, the tissue paper breaks apart, right? And the jar will fall. Now, this is exactly what happens with our life. The fabric of our life, right? If we do not pay attention, if we keep on dropping the water, which is similar to bad habits of eating, not exercising, and so on and so forth, you may not get an immediate feedback from your body. It may take some time, but once the damage happens, it happens quite permanently. It's very serious. And that's where we see people dying of heart attack, having chronic diseases, diabetes, so on and so forth at such a young age, and their life completely changes. So it's very, very important to recognize this point that you have to start taking care of your health and fitness from today and now. And there are many methods in which we can help you to remain motivated, to stay on track, right? We have developed different therapies called Coinbox therapy. We have gamified the entire fitness, holistic fitness goal achievement method through a community support and game process where you can learn, enjoy, play the game, and as well as achieve your holistic fitness goal. So we have currently 72 plus different exercises on our YouTube channel that you can, and we upload every day a 10 minutes exercise video, very basic video. And if you follow that, your daily quota of exercising is pretty much done, right? We come up with fitness challenges. We share healthy bites recipes. We have a lot of fitness shorts where you get those information, tips, tools, and talks about health and wellness. We have Spiritual Sutra, where we talk about purpose, goal, and how to remain motivated, and so on and so forth. We have our own website called holisticfitnessonline.com. We have our own YouTube channel. All the content is completely free of charge. We are present on all the major social media platforms. Okay, our first milestone is to recruit 1,000 holistic fitness champions, and the objective is that these folks then should pass on the message of fitness to their loved one, to in their community, and spread the message of fitness around in all the dimensions. That's our key goal. Now, how can you participate? One, you can become a holistic fitness champion, subscribe to our channel, visit our website, do daily workout, and more importantly, share what you learn from us to your friends and family members and inspire them to get on the fitness journey, right? So join us today on the YouTube channel. You can just subscribe, press the bell icon so you receive the notification of daily workout video, as well as special videos featuring key messages on fitness shorts and spiritual sutra and so on and so forth. So here's a glimpse of different forms of exercise that we have. Very simple. All of these exercises you can do from comfort of your home. You do not need any equipment. You do not need to go out of your home. You can do it along with your family members. All of these exercises are very safe and very effective. Okay, so this is a glimpse of our website. A lot of videos that we have on our website. You can go through and you can see some good messages, some healthy recipes, whatnot. I mean, there are a lot of elements and you can just enjoy browsing through it. So let's get started with the main event of today's session. I think to mark this occasion as a starting point of your fitness journey, let's do it with something symbolic. Let's try to hold a 60 seconds elbow plank, right? And if you cannot, hold as much as you can. Even if it's for 15 seconds, it's okay. It's a good start. Maybe in next week, you can try for 20 seconds, then 25 seconds, and you will see within a couple of weeks or months, you will be able to get the strength to hold the plank for 60 seconds and more. So let's get started. I will set the clock for 60 seconds. Let's go. So hold the plank, ensure that shoulder is at right angle, body straight from head to heel, and breathe normally. Do not worry if you cannot hold it for entire 60 seconds. We are done with 30 seconds, 30 seconds more to go. Just remember that this event has marked start of your fitness journey. And we have a fantastic concept called daily ritual, where every day we do a 2 to 10 minutes of exercises, right? I mean, that's what I talked about. That helps you remind that you are on a journey. You are on a journey of fitness dedicated to some of your loved ones that you're doing it for. Okay, 10 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So interested in starting your fitness journey? And if you are, let me share with you something very, very interesting that we have made. But before that, one more simple question. What challenges do you face in continuing your fitness journey? As I talked about, everyone is aware about importance of taking care of fitness. But once we start our fitness journey, are we able to continue? I mean, I've seen people coming up with reasons or excuses. I don't get lack of motivation. I don't have no one to support. It needs a lot of money. I cannot develop six pack. No, it's not about six pack as I talked about. Holistic fitness is about having fitness in all dimension, absence of disease, ability to manage stress and emotional swings, and living life full of energy. That's fitness. You do not need to have six packs, right? So people come up with reasons like, I don't get excitement out of that. It's a boring regime, no? So and so many. I mean, I can compile 100 of different reasons and genuine excuses that people have around this. So today It's your chance to get the freedom from excuses. Now, how do we enable it? We have come up with a concept called Fitness Buddy. So we have gamified this entire fitness journey, right? So you are going to be part of an amazing team, of a community where team will support you. You are going to play a game, an activity game. You will be given different tasks to perform every week that you do, and you earn points. You get lives, you get shields, you get medals. You can participate in a team events, and not only that, so all of these are there where it makes your journey exciting, and you will not even feel that you are making an effort, but it makes it more effortless, enjoyable, and fruitful, right? So you get badges and so on and so forth. You can achieve your fitness goals. You can flaunt your earned badges on social media, and more importantly, once you complete your fitness journey, you stand a chance to win surprise prizes for your loved ones. So this is the program. This is a sample dashboard where you can see that there are participants and they get different tasks and they perform, they get badges and awards, so on and so forth, right? We also have a unique concept called masterclass. So every week, Saturday or Sunday, one of the day that you will be part of a batch. So in that batch, we conduct 30 minutes to 45 minutes masterclass. So there are different topics. So for example, here you can see we have topics on eating habits. How do you eat properly? That can help you in defining your shape, your fitness. How to develop a safe and healthy running habit, or how to maintain fitness during work from home, or how to have purpose in your life, how to define and achieve your purpose. And there are many master classes. So you can join these master classes to learn those things right from the SMEs, ask the questions, participate in the discussion, right? So that's once in a week opportunity. This is a sample program for 1 month. This is a 3-month program, Fitness Buddy program, where you join and you become part of a community to help you support, and you also support others to achieve the fitness goal. So it's a very structured program based on science and knowledge, and it goes right from assessing yourself on your fitness level, to defining your fitness goal, to helping you define actions, and also supporting you um, develop those healthy habits to achieve those fitness goals. It's an amazing program that you can join. So if you are interested to join, the link is this one. I will also post this link in the description of the YouTube video. This is the link of the fitness assessment that you can have. And if you are interested in joining the Fitness Buddy program, right, you can send a message on this WhatsApp number 0060176147 and you will get a link to join the WhatsApp group. Remember, this is not an open program for anyone. It's only by invitation, right? So join us, send message to this number. I repeat, 0060176147 right? I think with that, I want to thank all of you for spending your time with us and joining us in this fitness journey and helping us in spreading the message of fitness around in all dimensions. So with that, I want to say thank you all and happy fitness to you. Uh, See you soon.